I'm strapping her trouser and the mouse with the visor with a visor and a lesser. I'm trapping her with a good mouth, a good time, and cool. I went from the time when niceE, one's pricy, I'm niceE. I'm trapping her with a good for the duke and understand my purse. I just want to press it when a RESEND can end it. RESEND it! I'm talking rockin, talking and knockin, knocking and rockin, pressing send to version of RESEND. I walk across my special patient and racin and the echolocation, and there's the patient, the ingredient, niceE. And most annoying, Jordan, girls and guys, when I was thinking looks like a boss and tells me person, give me the tag on the back and so where I'll click it. Cut the bass off! I'm strapping her trouser and the mouse with a visor with a visor and a lesser. I just need a visor to give me a vine, yeah. Alright, may be getting tough, but time for the fast rap. Let's go! Few times girl on custom and use a prime. With that, cut this up, please protection when I learn from what I'm trying to like dance and romance the word right there. Obviously, waiting for your bottom, all the thing I want to do, and boosters doing good for the new shoots and big stands and migrants with high hopes, and I hope that we are sure to right decision for our nation and discourage for the interests of these suburbs and enlightenment.
Productions.
You thought I was a pop singer? Nah, I'm a rapper. You know, I'm doing this for the bad ones, you know? Juice World, X Extension, Take Off. This one's for you guys. We're also doing this for the ones that are alive, like Eminem, Baby Post Malone. I'm doing this for you guys. I'm trying to find people who can rap like 10 syllables a second, you know? Everyone is good at that stuff. And this next one right here is my fastest one I've done before, like I just did. Let's go! Few times girl on custom and use a prime. With that, cut this up, please protection when I learn from what I'm trying to like dance and romance the word right there. Obviously, waiting for your bottom, all the thing I want to do, and boosters doing good for the new shoots and big stands and migrants with high hopes, and I hope that we are sure to right decision for our nation and discourage for the interests of these suburbs and enlightenment. This one is for you guys, including the dead ones, even the alive ones. I'm just trying to look for people that's fast at rapping. I want to collab with anyone who can make it happen. We can make it happen, okay? This is On Topic. I'm out. Goodbye.